Hey, welcome to my new segment that I'm going to be calling JL Johnny's Jeep Life. This is my first episode and I just want to go over and show you what I got here. This is my 2020 Sahara Unlimited JL. I've already done a few things to it. I've blacked out these fenders by wrapping them in vinyl, and I did a custom decal on the hood. I ordered this Jeep back in July of 2019 and didn't get it until the end of September. Here is a picture of it before I wrapped the fenders and added the hood decal. I'm going to take you over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to be doing to it. This is a side mirror that I put on when the doors are off. I will show you that on the other side. I've already put the bullet antenna on. I got the soft top door windows on right now. JL Johnny is my new moniker. And these are the mirrors here. A lot of times you see people that attach them to the hinge there, but what you do is you put it to the window hinge and just slide it into place like that. Now usually when I'm driving, these things won't shake at all. These are far better than the ones that are on the door hinge, because those would just be shaking like this the whole time you're driving down the street. This one is actually really nice and solid. Nice construction. I really like the idea that they put towards for this. And when I put my doors on at night, I just simply go like this and put them down, and then my doors slide right on. I did get the hard top for this, which I will show you that in my garage, and I'm also going to show you what I do with the doors when they're not on the Jeep. Let's go back to the garage and I'll show you. So this is where I store my car, 77 Trans Am, but I also store my doors for my Jeep. They go on these nice cool hinges that just bolt right to the wall, and I can open and close it. And then I also got the winch that holds my roof onto the wall. I would only have this installed onto the Jeep in the wintertime. Never on the summertime would I have that on there. Here's a close look at the brackets when the doors are installed on the Jeep. This is this striker for the door lock here, and then you've got the slots here for the door hinges. Simply slide it on and it's good for storage. The mirrors I have installed are the trail mirrors, the rectangular shape by Rugged Ridge. Easy to install. Well, thanks for joining me. I just got a phone call from my supplier, and my bumpers will be in a couple of weeks, so you can expect that video in a couple of weeks. I'm going to be installing that myself, so I may videotape that and let you guys see me doing that. My rims will take about 2 or 3 weeks to come in, but on Monday we're going to be doing the install of the lift kit, so you can expect some footage on that as well. Do me a favor, if you did like this video, please click the like button below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and do click that notification bell whenever I get some new content that you guys get notification for it. Thank you for joining JL Johnny's Jeep Life, and until next time, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Take care, guys.